Okay guys, hello and welcome back. Now we are going to add some restraints. How to see if the our beam has a restraint or not? Let me, by just clicking here, by just light clicking here, you can see that the restraint is none. Okay, what if we want to add restraint? We simply just drag this. The assign menu is very important. We are going to use it a lot. So try to master it. We go to assign and joint and then add restraints. These are the restraints we learn in structural analysis, in the civil engineering, in college. But if you don't scare too much. If you want, I can give a course on them too. But just for now, we are going to use this type of restraint. Apply and okay. As you can see, the restraint is added. Now, if we want to add the restraint to this part, how we do? We simply drag here and then say, okay, apply. See, the restraint added, and our model now have restraint. After that, we are going to load some force on our model. If you don't understand anything, you can ask in the comment. I am trying to help you. I know I am a little weak at English, but I'm trying to be better. But the thing is, all the things I want to give you the knowledge that I learned and in priceful for me, but I want to be free for you. Okay, have a good time.